Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central
My stream decided to be an idiot.
northeastern Scott County in western Arkansas, Yell County in central Arkansas, southwestern Pope, P.O.P.E.
I know how to
County in
use
central
that.
Arkansas until 2:15 p.m. At 1:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Subiaco to Blue Mountain to Cardiff, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Yeah, open broadcast software thought it'd be funny to want to install itself right in the middle. Well, actually, Malwarebytes thought that'd be funny to uninstall OBS right in the middle of me using it. It's not funny, Malwarebytes. How would you like it if you were doing something and it cut you off? What are the IMs crap now?
The tornado warning for